What's up, man? Oh, it's so good to see you.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, I know I saw you this morning, but it seems like it's been forever. We gotta celebrate. What do you want to do? Hey, let's go throw this puppy around, huh? Go outside, get some fresh air?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. I'll put my stuff down.
All right.
What's up, Jimmy?
Hey, man. What are you doing? Are you cooking? Do you need any help? I can help.
No, I'm good. Actually, where's the basil?
Bottom drawer.
What is this?
I'm so sorry. I don't even deserve to be here. I'll just go get paper towels and clean it up and leave.
What?
We're out of cereal.
Your friend's weird.
Yeah, I don't think he likes you. He doesn't really like anyone.
Oh. What's up with you? Jimmy, no. No.
Hey, don't worry. I got this.
That's a good boy.